Yo, what's up, man? I took my boy to the club for the first time. I had a good time. He had a good time, but there was a couple of things that I didn't like. Like, for example, there was a lot of niggas I knew, and they came and started talking to me about their whole life story and shit. And I mean, it's the club and there's girls around. Don't do that. Just keep say what's up to me and keep walking. You ain't gotta tell me your whole life story and shit. And girls too. If you're a girl, you see me and you know me, just say what's up, take a picture, give me a hug. Don't stand there and act like you're gonna fuck the whole crew or whatever. And don't ask for a drink. Don't ask to hit the weed. Don't ask for where the after party is at. Keep it moving. Just keep it moving. You know what I'm saying? And if you don't, you'll be considered a fuck, and everybody will be considered chicken shit. So you don't want to be considered that. And that's about it. You got anything to say?
Nah, that's it. We done.
That's all I had to say, man.